Okay, listen here. So most of these plants are found in the environment. Then question is there, why do these plants eat insects? Why do these plants eat insects? See, these plants eat insects, be careful. These plants eat insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. These insectivorous plants grow in those areas where nitrogen is deficient. So they have to eat insects for fulfilling their nitrogen requirement. Listen here, some examples of insectivorous plants are pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, sundew, bladderwort. Most of these plants are found in the environment where nitrogen is not readily available. They use insect protein as a source here. After eating insect, they take protein from the insect, and proteins are made up of nitrogen compounds. Protein are basically which compounds? Nitrogenous compound means they are made up of nitrogen. To fulfill their nitrogen requirement, these insectivorous plants eat up insects. They use insect protein as a source of nitrogen. This is a kind of holozoic nutrition. What is holozoic nutrition? In holozoic nutrition, can anyone tell me what is holozoic nutrition? What is holozoic nutrition? Tell me anybody. What is holozoic nutrition? In holozoic nutrition, the food material is broken into simpler substances outside their body. Food material is broken into simpler substances outside their body. That mode of nutrition is called holozoic. Say here, Venus flytrap, sundew, that is over nitrogen is not readily available. They use insect protein as a source of nitrogen. This is a kind of holozoic nutrition. The leaves of pitcher plant are modified into pitcher. Pitcher means your this like structures are there. Like this, on like spikes like structures will be there, and in these spikes they trap the insects. With the help of these spikes, they trap the insects here. The leaves of pitcher plant are modified into pitcher-like structure. The tip of the leaf forms a lid. Lid means covering, and there will be these pitchers. The insect trapped in a pitcher plant is directed down by the hairs. These hairs are there. The insect trapped in the pitcher plant is directed down by the hairs in the pitcher. There, the insect is digested by enzymes present in the juices inside the pitcher plant. And the insect is digested. Question is there, how the insect will be digested? Insect is digested by the juices which these plants release. These plants release juices, and these juices contain enzymes. Juices contain enzymes which digest these insects. Clear? Reply everybody. Is it clear? Clear? Then read that page, everybody. Page number 8. All of you read. Read that page 8. Read done. Yes. Now listen here. One blue box is given that insectivorous plants can photosynthesize at their feed on insects. Here, insectivorous plants they are able to do photosynthesis and they are eating insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. To fulfill the requirement of nitrogen, they can synthesize carbohydrates through photosynthesis only. Now, wonderbox. Trees, shrews, and rats are attracted to nectar secreted by trees, shrews, and rats are attracted by nectar secreted by Nepenthes raja pitcher plant. The animals sit on the pitcher rim and defecating to it, providing the plant with nutrients. Say as some animals Some animals even sit on the pitcher plants and when they release their waste material, their excreta will become a nutrient for these pitcher plants. They release a particular kind of smell to attract the insects and the animals. Then saprophytic plants. Listen here. Some plants derive nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. Such plants are called saprophytes. What are saprophytes? Those plants which are obtaining nutrition or food from dead and decaying organic matter. Those plants are called saprophytes. And moral nutrition is called saprophytic moral nutrition. Examples of saprophytes are monotropa, means they are feeding on dead and decaying organic matter. See, examples of some plants, such plants are called saprophytes, and this moral nutrition is called saprophytic. Examples of saprophytes are monotropa, mushroom, bread molds. Monotropa is there, mushroom is there, and bread molds are there. Saprophytes release digestive juices. I told you these saprophytes release certain kind of chemicals called digestive juices, which break down the food material to simpler substances, then they utilize it. Saprophytes release digestive juices on the dead and decaying matter. These juices act upon and convert organic matter. They convert that organic matter into liquid form. These organisms then absorb the liquid. Organisms absorb this liquid again and obtain nutrition from it. Is it clear? Read all of it first. All of you read that first. Red. Now say wonder box. Armillaria melia, a kind of mushroom, is a bioluminescent. It can emit light. Means a mushroom that is emitting light. Means shining. Then Armillaria melia, a kind of mushroom, is a bioluminescent as it can emit light. Another mushroom, Armillaria australis, is one of the largest living organisms. Means they are emitting light event to attract or something that water. What is not clear? Arpita reply, what is not clear? Reply there, what is not clear? Reply quickly, which topic is not clear, Arpita? Emit means give out light. Arpita reply, what is not clear, quickly. Oh, that. See, that is basically spore formation. When you lead saprophyte, saprophyte are those organisms which is feeding on dead. For example, you take bread, clear, moisten it, put some water and leave it for some days. What will happen? In the after some time, the bread will start decaying. You will make big. You may become confused why the bread starts decaying. Reason is simple. In your air, microorganisms are there. Fungi is there, fungus is there present in your environment. And when they find moist condition, wet condition, and humid condition, hot and humid condition means temperature should be high and wet. In that condition, these microorganism fungus they will slowly settle down on the wet bread and start to multiply. They will start to multiply. How they will multiply? They will release certain chemicals, digestive chemicals. They will eat that dead and decaying matter, and they will become mushroom or fungus or bread molds. You must have seen when your wooden or your pickles, when you touch the pickles with the wet hand, you must have seen their white fungus starts developing and it starts to decay and makes your food spoiled. That is mushroom. Is it clear there, Arpita replied? And those organisms are called saprophyte who eat this dead and decaying organic matter. Is it clear there, Arpita? Reply there, is it clear? And this student asked Wonder Boxy, this name Armillaria. Armillaria is a kind of mushroom which emits light, that's all. It has certain mechanism which emits light. Therefore, it is called bio. Bio means light, luminescence means giving out light. Then Armillaria melia kind of mushroom is a bioluminescent. It is can emit light. Another mushroom, Armillaria osteo is oh you are getting confused. Bread is not a saprophyte. Bread is this, and on this bread, the organisms that grow on the bread in the form of spores, those fungus, pay attention, the fungus which grows on bread, they are bread mold. They are called bread mold. Bread is not called saprophyte. Bread is not saprophyte. The fungus which grows on bread and the bread which is decaying on that bread, if some fungus grow, these fungus are called saprophytic. These fungus are called saprophytic plant. Now is it clear? Reply there. Is it clear now, Arpita? Or still you have doubt? The fungus that grows on dead and decaying bread, they are called bread mold and they are parasitic plant or saprophytic plant. Reply quickly, is it clear? Okay, then next we will study in next class. And then good day because now 7th class, after 7th, 6th class. Good day everybody.